Yeah, the stock take's really important. It's our moment to sort of give ourselves a scorecard, an assessment on our exam of how far have we progressed and what else is left to do. So it's really timely, I think. And here's the good news. I've been at lots of COPs, and 10 years ago, there were not the technologies, not the solutions that were needed really to make a big difference. That's not the case today. We have solutions, we have technologies, they're available in the marketplace. And the good news is that everyone that is needed to make these things happen, they're here at COP, from government agencies, policymakers, businesses, financial institutions, and I think other groups that are really needed to make it happen. They're gathered here for the stock take, but I think our report card is going to show that we're well on our way. And better yet, the gaps that exist, we have solutions for most of them. Yeah, Trane Technologies is a company that's been providing innovative solutions to the marketplace for a long time, but more than that, we've been a company that decided over a decade ago that we wanted to align our commitments, our public commitments on climate impact with external groups. And so we asked the Science Based Targets Initiative to look at our plans, to look at our data, and to validate that what we were doing, that our pathways were in fact meaningful and were impactful. And we're the only company in the sector that has a validated, not just a 2030 commitment, but also a net zero commitment to 2050. So we're well on our way in terms of innovation and providing solutions that mean that the world can truly begin to transform decarbonization in buildings and in transport refrigeration in the ways that get us to what's needed to reduce the emissions in those sectors. And events like the Sustainable Innovation Forum, they're really important. Why they're important is that they're bringing together all the voices that are needed, not just HVAC companies, but also partners that we need to make it happen. So it could be customers, it could also be suppliers who are like us, focused on the best way to perform at a low carbon level. But more than that, they're also gathering thought leaders such as policymakers and other regulating agencies, and those companies who may be interested in investing in these technologies, because we're all focused on the same thing. And that's, how do we solve the impacts of climate change, and how do we do that in the best and fastest way possible?